Sad boy. Things happen to your devices, and things happen that cause them to not really work anymore. This iPhone 5C really has the sads. But this one isn't the main focus of the video. The main focus is this little guy. This is an iPhone 5C that actually runs iOS 7 and has really rare apps. The problem is the battery doesn't charge. If you plug it in, it'll say that it's charging, but you'll leave it plugged in for like over a day and it would still say that it's charging. It wouldn't fully power on. So my solution is to charge up a completely different iPhone 5C, then take the motherboard that's in this 5C and put it in this 5C, so that the battery is already charged and we can explore the phone. Alright, we're at 32%. We're good to go. We're gonna unplug it. Now we're gonna shut it down. Alright, so with this one, it's not even screwed in, so I can just take this little tool and just kind of pry it up. There you go. Boom, boom, and boom. There we go. Screen is now disconnected. Now we can disconnect all of these little components. I forgot to remove the SIM card tray. That's really important when you're doing a motherboard swap on an iPhone. The motherboard is not even screwed in, so I can just bam, just remove it like that. We're gonna set those aside here. Now we get to unscrewing this one. Unscrew the bottom case. And now we use the same method. There we go. And this one doesn't have any protection for the screen either, so I can just bam, bam, and bam. Although all these screws are in the device still, so we're gonna have to remove those. I'm now gonna put this shielding back on when I'm done with this. Let's disconnect all of the connectors, including the battery. And now we get to the fun part, which is unscrewing. But before we do that, we need to remove the SIM tray from this device too. Boink. Alright, I'm pretty sure that is all the screws that I need to take out. We gotta use this because these little golden connector things are really annoying to deal with. There we go. And now we do the same with this one. And yeah, there's also a connector on the other side. Boink. Alright, there we go. iOS 7 board. There we go. So this should work. Let's put this screen. This is just a test. This is just a test. Alright guys, moment of truth. Yes! Alright. Yes! Okay, let's test if it charges. It's plugged in, it's charging. We're gonna unplug it. We're gonna shut it down. We're gonna explore it in a little bit. Okay, now it's fully off. Disconnect, disconnect, and disconnect. Now we're gonna screw it in. Now we screw it together. Alright, cool. Now that that's in, we can put the screen back on. Put the screen in. Now we can put the SIM card slot back in and power it back on, and we plug it back in. But yeah guys, this is a fully working iPhone 5C on iOS 7. Look at these applications. Alright, we got Flappy Bird, we got an old version of Instagram. Oops. Going into the app switcher, you can see what was last used. Look at this, Flappy Bird and Vine. That's crazy. Look at that old Google Maps. Let's play some Flappy Bird to end this video off. Oh, that's a very mature username. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more, make sure you leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video.